Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve an issue with your account management on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that say we can't sign into your account. This problem can often be fixed by signing out of your account and then signing back in. If you don't sign out now, any files you create or changes you will make will be lost. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to restart our device. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to select on the start menu. And dito lang ay kailangan mo i-select dito yung restart. So kailangan lang natin yan gawin para ma-fix yung problem. So after mo mag-restart and hope na na-resolve yung problem, but if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to run Microsoft account troubleshooters. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, so dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung apps. At dito sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung installed apps. And dito sa installed apps, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Microsoft account. Okay, so scroll down ka lang, and then kailangan mo lang hanapin dito yung Microsoft account. And then once nahanap mo na siya, and then dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot. So i-click mo lang yan. And then i-click mo lang dito yung advanced option. And next step, dito sa advanced option settings, and then scroll down ka lang. At dito sa reset ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung repair. Okay, so click mo lang yung repair and wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. And then after repair process, so if this app is still isn't working right, so kailangan mo lang i-tap tong reset. So click mo lang yan. And then this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So i-click mo lang dito yung reset and wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. Okay, so after dito sa reset process and procedure, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so same dito sa search menu and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD. Or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan, so dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu. And kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix we can't sign in to your account message in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.